Alrighty guys, here we go with another one. We got this Silverado. We're gonna be replacing these running boards here. These are the stock ones I believe that the Trail Boss comes with. They're pretty neat. They're not too bad. We're gonna go ahead and alrighty guys, so we got everything out here. Let me show you guys. Some of you guys may already know if you have these, what they come with here. So this fits any Chevrolet Silverado 1500 GMC Sierra, all cabs from 22 to 23. Chevy Silverado. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we just wrapped up the Silverado. Let me show you guys this thing here, okay? This thing's pretty neat. We finished the amp research steps. This thing looks nice and clean, nice and flush all the way around. We took out them old running boards. As soon as you open up them doors, they're gonna pop out. We got the LED lights all nice and squared away. So everything